Nestled amidst the rugged peaks of the Canadian Rockies, Banff is a charming town that embodies the wild beauty and rich history of one of Canada's most treasured regions. Originally inhabited by Indigenous peoples for thousands of years, the area was later explored by European fur traders in the early 19th century. The town of Banff officially emerged in the late 19th century, coinciding with the establishment of Banff National Park in 1885, making it Canada's first national park and a pioneer in global conservation efforts. Today, Banff serves as a vibrant hub for outdoor enthusiasts, nature lovers, and cultural explorers alike. Its picturesque streets are lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and historic lodges, offering a unique blend of rustic charm and modern amenities. Visitors can stroll along Banff Avenue, taking in the stunning mountain vistas, or visit the Banff Park Museum, one of Canada's oldest natural history museums, to learn about the region's flora, fauna, and Indigenous heritage. The town's location provides access to a myriad of outdoor activities year-round. In winter, skiers and snowboarders flock to world-class resorts like Mount Norquay, Sunshine Village, and Lake Louise Ski Resort, where expansive slopes and pristine snow create a winter wonderland. Cross-country skiing and snowshoeing trails wind through snow-laden forests, while ice skating on frozen lakes offers a serene experience amid icy cliffs. As spring arrives, waterfalls such as Bow Falls roar to life, and wildflowers begin to blanket the meadows in vibrant colors. Hiking enthusiasts explore trails like the Tunnel Mountain Summit or the more challenging Sulphur Mountain, which rewards climbers with panoramic views of the town and surrounding peaks. Mountain biking trails become lively with riders eager to navigate rugged terrains, and fishing in its crystal-clear lakes and rivers offers a peaceful retreat for anglers. Summer transforms Banff into a playground of adventure and exploration. Visitors can embark on guided wildlife safaris, hoping to spot elk, deer, bears, and mountain goats in their natural habitat. Canoeing and kayaking on Lake Louise and Moraine Lake provide tranquil moments amidst breathtaking scenery. For those seeking higher elevations, the Banff Gondola transports guests to the summit of Sulphur Mountain, where sweeping vistas extend across the snow-capped peaks and lush valleys. Climbing and mountaineering expeditions challenge the most experienced, while scenic drives along the Icefields Parkway reveal astonishing glaciers, waterfalls, and panoramic mountain views. Throughout the year, Banff hosts numerous cultural events, festivals, and art exhibitions celebrating the region's heritage and natural beauty. The Banff Centre for Arts and Creativity offers performances, workshops, and residencies that foster artistic expression inspired by the surrounding wilderness. The core of Banff National Park encompasses a vast expanse of wilderness, covering over 6,600 square kilometers of pristine landscapes. The park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its exceptional natural beauty and ecological significance. It is home to diverse ecosystems, from alpine meadows to dense forests, and hosts an incredible variety of wildlife. Visitors often marvel at the sight of elusive mountain lions, elusive wolves, majestic elk, and soaring eagles. The park's iconic sights include the stunning Moraine Lake, famous for its iridescent waters framed by rugged peaks, and the Valley of the Ten Peaks, which provides one of the most photographed vistas in the world. The Columbia Icefield, one of the largest ice fields in the Rockies, offers guided glacier tours that reveal the immense power and fragility of these ancient ice masses. Nearby, the breathtaking Athabasca Falls demonstrates the raw force of rushing waters carving through limestone. Conservation efforts within Banff National Park focus on protecting its fragile ecosystems while enabling sustainable tourism. Parks Canada actively manages visitor access, wildlife corridors, and habitat preservation, ensuring future generations can continue to experience its splendor. Educational programs and ranger-led tours deepen visitors' understanding of the region's ecological and cultural significance. The park also plays a vital role in research and environmental monitoring. Scientists study climate change impacts on glaciers, alpine ecosystems, and wildlife populations, providing valuable data to inform global conservation strategies. As global temperatures rise, the park faces challenges such as retreating glaciers and shifting wildlife patterns, emphasizing the importance of ongoing stewardship. In addition to its natural wonders, Banff boasts a vibrant arts community that draws inspiration from its dramatic landscape. Galleries showcase Indigenous art, contemporary pieces, and historical artifacts, reflecting the region's layered cultural heritage. The Banff Film and Book Festival, held annually, attracts filmmakers and authors from around the world who celebrate adventure, exploration, and environmental storytelling. The culinary scene in Banff offers a taste of local flavors, with restaurants serving dishes crafted from regional ingredients like wild game, freshwater fish, and locally sourced produce. After a day of exploration, visitors can relax in cozy lodges and hot springs, soaking in mineral-rich waters while surrounded by mountain views. As night falls, the absence of light pollution in the park allows for spectacular stargazing. The clear mountain air reveals a glittering canopy of stars, inspiring awe and wonder. Many tours and events focus on astronomy and the universe's mysteries, connecting visitors with the cosmos against a backdrop of untouched wilderness. In essence, Banff and its national park embody a harmonious blend of natural grandeur, cultural richness, and sustainable stewardship. They are a testament to the importance of preserving our planet's wild places, inspiring countless individuals to appreciate and protect the pristine beauty of the Canadian Rockies for generations to come.